So 2024 Mercedes EQE350. So we have fitted a Meta Trak S5 Deadlock to this. Now if we come round into the front of the vehicle, as you'll notice, with the tags present, which is still here, I cannot start the vehicle. So if we try to start the engine, I'm not able to drive as it is currently off and it is still locked. With the tags, you must simply press the button and wait for your fast flashes. Now we should be able to start the vehicle, and it is now ready and operational. Without the tags present, you cannot start the vehicle, and obviously you get two tags along with your key, or one as a spare.